Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Tarina, and welcome back if you're already part of my Lux family. First off, happy holidays, happy 2021. I missed you all so much. I'm apologizing for not being active. I really needed a break from social media for my mental health. That's really the truth of it. And so thank you all for sticking with me. I am back and refreshed for 2021 with a number of unboxings. So let's get into it. If you like luxury content, unboxings, reviews, giveaways, come join my family by hitting that big red subscribe button, and also like this video if you like luxury content. Okay, so I have a really large Louis Vuitton. I can't even fit in the frame with this bag. I'll lean back a little bit. So I have a really large, exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing for you today. So let's get into it without further ado. Here is the classic orange Louis Vuitton bag to reveal. Sorry for the background paper noise. Okay, so, whoa. So as you folks can see, let me turn this around. This is a different type of item. So this is actually my very first Louis Vuitton ready-to-wear piece. So ready-to-wear simply means clothing. So clothing, designer luxury clothing piece from Louis Vuitton. So it comes in this gorgeous garment bag in this dark navy with the words Louis Vuitton printed here. To reveal, okay, let me know what you guys think. It is the classic Louis Vuitton monogram print wool skirt. Oh my gosh. So it comes in this really gorgeous Louis Vuitton hanger. It's this really gorgeous felt hanger with the gold hook, and it just says Louis Vuitton in gold right there. So this is the skirt. It comes in, as I shared, the classic monogram print in this dark brown with the, classic yellow/tan. So it's the classic monogram print in this gorgeous mini skirt. What do you folks think? I'm really excited to add this to my ready-to-wear collection. I will say, the ready-to-wear pieces, just in general, of luxury brands have really taken over my mind lately. So I've been looking at this skirt, thought it was really gorgeous, and decided to bite the bullet and add this to my collection. So again, it's this wool brown and yellow kind of classic Louis Vuitton print. See if it'll come up. I'll also include some modeling shots of me wearing it as well. It comes with these gorgeous black buttons down the front, and then it just secures in the back by this gold zipper. So it's really cute. In terms of sizing, this is a size 36. So this is Louis Vuitton 36. For reference, I am 5'3", and in terms of bottoms and US sizing, I'm typically a jean size 4, a US 4. So if that helps you at all, even though I am on the shorter side, again, I'll insert some photos. It doesn't come up too long. I think the length of this skirt comes up pretty nicely. I have no concerns in terms of the way that it looks, the length, the sizing. So I would say that the Louis Vuitton sizing chart on the website is very true. So if you can get, one of those cloth or soft measuring tapes and take your measurements around your waist and your hips. If you're interested in this skirt, I think you'll be good to go. I found it to be very, very true to size. So this is my really quick unboxing and the very first of one of my Christmas gifts to myself. I also have a few other unboxings that I'm excited to share and jump in with all of you very soon. I also have another giveaway coming up, so definitely stay tuned. Ring my bell so you can stay tuned for the giveaway that's upcoming. Let me know what you think of this skirt. Is this a skirt, or is ready-to-wear clothing pieces something that you would add into your luxury collection? Or is it pretty low on the totem pole, you know, after handbags and shoes and small leather goods? I'm really, really curious. I've only jumped into ready-to-wear clothing pieces, I would say really towards the mid-end of last year. So I'm a newbie there. So I'm just really curious what you folks think about luxury ready-to-wear. All right, guys, so that's my really quick unboxing. Thank you again for sticking with me, and I really missed you all. I can't wait to catch up on all of your photos on Instagram and just catching up with you all again here on YouTube. Please drop me a link down below. Let me know how your holiday season with your loved ones went, and can't wait to see you all in my next video. I'll link another one here. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great, fantastic day.